Hey everyone, you know how hard it is to analyze the Excel data to find insights, especially when there are hundreds or thousands of data. But what if I told you AI can help you visualize the data in a more interactive way using different visualizations like a bar graph or a pie chart? Stick around till the end and I will share with you how exactly you can do that. Alright, head over to this website and click on CSV to JSON. Upload your Excel file. Click on Convert and download it. Now open ChatGPT and paste the prompt that is given in the description box below. Download the HTML file and open it. In case your data is not related to sales, copy the JSON data and ask ChatGPT to make sure it works for the data you have. In my case, I have the data about music albums, not sales. Now it will modify it according to my dataset. If I open the modified HTML file again and try to upload my JSON file, it should work perfectly. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.